You know, down south, we love our grilled seafood, but this time I'm doing it with a little bit of a twist. But before we dive into this grilled salmon and mango salsa recipe, let's talk about its origins. Did you know that this dish was actually inspired by the cuisine of immigrants who came to the United States from Central and South America? These immigrants brought with them a rich culinary heritage which has influenced American cuisine in countless ways. This grilled salmon with mango salsa is a perfect example of how immigrant culture has impacted cooking. The salsa is a delicious combination of sweet and tangy flavors with the addition of fresh cilantro and lime juice, giving it a zesty kick. When paired with perfectly grilled salmon, it creates a flavor explosion that is sure to be bussin'. If you want to see more delicious food like this, I have the perfect show for you. It's called No Borders, Just Flavors, available on United We Dream's YouTube. Make sure you look for your Uncle Dibbz on there too, shawty. So next time you're in the kitchen cooking up a storm, remember to appreciate the cultural diversity that makes our cuisine so unique and delicious. But enough talking, let's eat. That's good, shawty.